Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to set up gesture navigation on Black Shark gaming tablet. In order to do it, go to the settings, then scroll down until you find system. You can see I don't have gesture navigation enabled because on the bottom of the screen there are these three buttons: the back, home and recents, and the apps. Now if I go to gestures, I can go to navigation mode and find these two settings. Now before I switch them, I'll explain what these three buttons do. So this one goes back within an app, this one goes to the home screen, and the square one opens the recently opened apps. And here there will be more apps if I had more open, and it would show me all the recently opened apps, right? And I could switch between them. Now when I click here, I can also disable press and hold home for assistant, but let's go back out of it and let's set it to gesture navigation. Now yeah, there are different settings here. Now let's try to use it. You can see when I slide down from the side of the screen towards the center, it goes back. If I slide from the right side, it also works back. It doesn't go forward, it just goes back no matter what side I swipe from. If I slide up quickly, it goes to the home screen. If I slide up and hold, it goes to recents. And now one more thing, if I just slightly slide up and release like that, it opens other apps. So I can, for example, open split screen in a way that I can slide up gently, then select Gmail and put it here, and now they're both open. So this is how it works. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.